In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on Xiaomi 17T and 17T Pro. So in order to go to the recovery mode, first we need to restart our phone. So I'm gonna use the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu. There we go. Now after that, we're gonna slide the circle with 2 arrows into the reboot option. And once the circle disappears over here, you want to press and hold volume up. And just keep holding volume up all the time. Even if the phone turns on, even if you see the Xiaomi logo on the screen, it doesn't matter. You just want to keep holding volume up button. You can even start pressing it before that circle disappears. There we go, we have the Xiaomi logo. You just want to keep holding volume up. And there we go, now we are in the Xiaomi HyperOS recovery menu. Now in here you can use, for example, volume buttons to navigate in this menu. And then once you want to select or use something that you have highlighted in here, you can use power button. Now if you want to exit the recovery mode, you can just simply make sure that reboot option is selected and then press the power button over here to confirm. And then we have the reboot to system option, so just confirm once again by pressing the power button. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.